Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see the Snapchat Memories tutorial. It means we are going to show you how you can use your Snapchat memories. So I just headed over to my Snapchat, and once you're there, make sure you have logged in into a desired account and then head over to your memories. And in here, you can just see your memories, and from here, just tap on any memory you want. And once you are there, you will find this stage, and in here you can find various options on the top right. If you tap on the three dots, here you will find the options of deleting snap, hiding your snap and making it your favorite snap, and editing your snap, remixing and copying your snap too. You can also export and then send your snap from here too. And if you just tap on the capital letter T, it means you can just write any text in here. Here, if you tap on the pencil icon, you can just write anything over here, and you can also undo it. If we go back here in this sticker section, you can just add any sticker on it. Here in the scissors section, it means you can just make any sticker out of it, and you can add songs, filters, and many more. So yeah, this is the use of your memory on your Snapchat. Hope this video will help you out. If you have any further questions, just comment down below and we will reach you out. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next